Higgsfield just dropped something called Supercomputer, and honestly, this might be the most important AI release of 2026 so far. Well, here's the simplest way to explain it. Like every other agent that you use, it does one thing. We use one tool for images, another for videos, another for writing, right? Well, Supercomputer does all of this inside one single chat. It's powered by Claude, it's powered by like GPT 5.5, it has Gemini 3.5 Pro, which just recently launched like 2 days back, and it automatically picks the right model for the right task. Well, you don't just choose anything, you just describe what you want and it handles the rest. Like images, cinematic videos, full commercial ads, static content, creatives, like everything. This isn't just another AI tool, this is the one agent that replaces all of them, one subscription, one chat, and you are done. So let's get started, let's see how it works. So there will be a link in the description, just if you want to try it out, go to this link and you'll be on this page and you can see everywhere like supercomputer, because it's the craziest thing that we have got from Higgsfield. So click on the supercomputer and then you'll be on this page, and then it's just gonna say your name, whatever the name is. It says, hey, what are we creating today? So basically this is gonna be a chat interface that we already, you're already familiar with this one because we have the same interface on Claude, ChatGPT. It's the same thing, right? But with crazy things that it can do. Anyway, so as you can see here, we have the same thing. We can select the models. We have the Claude models with Opus 4.7, 4.6, Sonnet as well. From Google, we have Gemini 3.5 Flash. This is the fastest one, and it just released like 2 days ago, right? And then if we go to the left side, we have the different option like skills. So this is the same thing that we have skills on Claude Code or Claude, right? So you can just install any skill that you want. You can just simply click on plus, it will install the skill and use the skill, but I'm gonna come to this part later. So for now, let's just check on the connectors. We have the connectors as well though. So this means that it is gonna connect with your different application that we use. It's all inside this one chat, one interface, Supercomputer. It has everything. I mean, you don't have to go there or here. You have to be here, and then you have access to all of the things like image generation, the connectors, different applications, skills, like everything is here. And then we have a memory, which is a super insane thing that I have seen in this one, because it remembers whatever you just do with this, whatever you write, whatever, it remembers who you are, what you do, what you have done. Or you can even, it learns from while you're interacting with the supercomputer. Thing is, you can also add this manually, by adding the memory here, and you can just something, right, remember this and that. Okay, let's try and take it to the test and see how it works. So I'm gonna click on the new task. So I'm gonna go to the Pinterest. This is my Pinterest. I have like different packaging, products. So I'm gonna take this product. This is the product that I'm gonna take. So we're gonna be doing one thing. We're gonna be making this product into a commercial ad that we can just post and get the, we can run an ad on this one. So let's see how it does. So I'm gonna copy this image and paste it in the supercomputer. And I'm gonna go for another image, which is the closest shot of this image. You can see that this is looking really good. Copy image, take it to the here, or we can just simply tell him, hey, we have this brand image, try to create something similar. We can do that, but as of now, I'm gonna use this one. So then I'm gonna say, hey, so I just hit send. I told him like my idea. So it's gonna paint a frame. It's gonna use a skill that it already has. So he already knows that I want a full TV ad workflow or something. So it says I have everything I need. Now it's asking you some questions. Look at this one. This is good. Before I generate the character and move into the production, I have a couple of quick questions. Okay, so he's asking us, does this script and story direction work for you, or would you like to change something? So I think I like it. I think it's good. Then it's hero at the card. The hero looks up the camera and easy knowing. Okay, hero lifts up the real seal jar. Okay, phantom slow motion. Okay, I think it's good. I like it. So let's just say yes, proceed to character and location generation. And then what should be the vendor hero on screen? Okay, it says who that will be. I'm not going to upload a character myself. I think I am going to use his generation. So I'm gonna say generate a female vendor instead, and then I'll just click continue. He's waiting for the for my input, so it was waiting. So the script has been locked. So now it is going to create the prompts. First of all, it's gonna approve the images and everything from me. It's gonna take these images that I sent him. So it's gonna make the character and then craft all the scenes. As of now, it's creating a character as per the theme and everything. So this is the character for this one. So let's see what it does. It says I need an approval from you. It created a character, I think. Let's just click on generate. It's also showing you the generation cost, which is 0.625. So I'm gonna just go ahead and generate. It's gonna generate the images. I think 2 images. Yeah, as you can see here, he is going for this vibe. Well, I think this looks very good. So let's do that. I'm gonna close it, and the model that he has created is this one. I think this one is looking good. So is the character right for your ad? I would say yes. Proceed to generation of the video. Yeah, I like the character. But then it says, does this Indo market location work for the ad? I kind of like it, but I want to change it or something, because it has given me the sunset of vibe. I don't want it. Yeah, that's something I want to change. I'm gonna just continue. All right, so the generation has been finished. So we have this outdoor image. I think this looks really good. I like it. I really like it. So it's asking still a question that this tropical beach market, does this work for you? I would say yes. Generate the video now. I'm gonna just click on this option and I'm gonna hit continue. And then now it is going to craft he has now the character, has the the outdoor scene. Now it is going to generate those shots that I just gave him already. Now we need to approve the video for this one. So now I have everything I need to build a full Cdance 2 prompt. Let me just construct carefully. Now it has the image, all of the things. Okay, so it's going to create this video using Cdance, and this is the entire prompt. This is what he has came up with. This is the entire video, gonna be 15-second video, and you can see the quality here. I'm gonna use 1080p, and I'm gonna hit generate, and this is gonna take a while, like 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so the video has been finished, and let's see how it looks.
You can taste the difference when it is real. No shortcuts, just fruit. Higgs Plus Nourish. Real fruit, real goodness.
Well, it looks good, but not something that I was expecting. But I think I have to give him more context on this one. So I'm gonna be asking him, hey, I want to make this video into 15 shots in 15 seconds. So one single shot would be for 1 second. And I want this to be a very fast-paced video. Alright, so I hope this is gonna be the banger one. Let's just play.
Real fruit, real you. Too real to fake.
Man, oh man, this is crazy. I think if we try to recreate this video using After Effects, it's gonna take a lot of time. I think a day or two or something. I mean, yeah, this is good. This is really good. I can just really run this an ad on this one. So I think let's just do that. Let's just ask him. Let's just get a skill first. Okay, let's go to the skills, and let's go to ad creative. Okay, we're gonna create the ads. So I'm gonna click on the plus. It's gonna install this ad. Okay, it's installed. Perfect. Let's go back to that chat. We are inside the chat here. If I have to load a skill, I simply have to put a slash and then add creative. Okay, so let's click on this one, and then I will say. So it's asking us questions about all of the things. So let's see. Who are we targeting with these Facebook ads? Describe your ideal customer, age, lifestyle, what they care about. I think okay. So the age is gonna be 45 years old. Lifestyle is luxurious, and they care about the authenticity and the natural fruits. What do you want people to do when they see that? I want them to just simply go ahead and just buy the product. That's it. Simple. Click on continue. It's gonna craft all of the things using these informations. So let's wait. Alright, let's check these two photos, okay? This is the first one. Real fruit, real goodness. Oh my god, this is amazing. Honestly. Look at the text, look at the vibe. It looks fresh, just like I asked. So there is another one. Nothing artificial ever. 100% real fruit, 0% compromise. Oh my god, this is insane. I think this changed the marketing forever. I mean, combination of these two plus this video, it's gonna like bring a lot of things together. I mean, I can run ad. I don't have to like hire any agency or something. No need to hire the graphic designers, motion designers. All I have to do is just, use the Higgsfield Supercomputer, and then everything is just inside one chat. And one more thing that I have to let you know, guys, if you are gonna do this using different models, you have to get Claude subscription, GPT subscription, then separate subscription for image generation or the video generation. Then it's a lot of things, and you have to just do back and forth, like switching tabs and everything, copying prompts here and there, and then pasting in here, and then generating things. I mean, that friction is completely gone with this supercomputer. And honestly, my take on this one is it's a game changer. At least for me, it's a game changer. I'm really gonna use this for my own business, and I will try to do a lot of things with this, and I think this is really gonna work. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description with a promo code. If you guys want to try it out, you can just go to the link and test it out and see how it works. Maybe it's gonna fit your business or something. So if you guys like the video, please leave a like and share on the video, and comment on the comment section about what are you guys gonna do, what are you gonna use this for, and I would really love to know that. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.